ሰላም ሰላም ክቡራት ተኸታተልትና ከመይ ቀኒኹም? ኣነ ሰላም ቀኒ ንስኻትኩም ሰላም ክትቀንዩ እናተይ ሆፒ ማለት እዩ። ከመይ ናብ ላይ ንልሙዕ ቪድዮ ምስና ንኣቱ ኸ ፍሉይ ዝበለ መደብ መፂናኩም ዘለና 10 ክልተታት ኣለዋ ነድሕድረን ከዓ 5 ሴኮንድ ክወሃበኩም እዩ። ቅድሚ እዛ ቪድዮ ምርኣኹም ግን ፕሊዝ ሳብስክራይብን ላይክ እንዳግበርኩም ንዓይ ክተበረታትዑኒ ይሓትት ማለት እዩ። ለማዓንቲ ንኸፋፍለኸ ኤ1 ማለት ብጣዕሚ ጀመርቲ ዝኾንኩም፣ ኤ2 ድሕን ዝበሉ ጀመርቲ፣ ቢ1 ማእኸሎት፣ ቢ2 ልዕል ዝበሉ ማእኸሎት፣ ሲ1 ኣድቫንስድ ወይ ቤዚክ ነገር ዝሓዙ፣ ሲ2 ከዓ ምዕብል ዝበሉ ብጣዕሚ ማዕኮሮም ዝዛረቡ ሰባት ማለት እዩ። ብጣዕሚ ዝኽእሉ ሰባት ማለት እዮም እዚኦም ዝበሃሉ ማለት እዩ። ምስ ንጀመር ሌትስ ጎ። ናይ መጀመርያ ሕቶና ሺ ዳሽ reading a book. A like, B liking, C likes, D are liking. መልሱ ላይክስ እዩ። ምክንያቱም ሺ ላይክስ ኢና ንጥቀም። ካልኣይ how old does your brother? A are, B is, C were, D none of the above. መልሱ B easy. ሳልሳይ where do you dash? A lives, B lived, C live, D living. 5 ሴኮንድ ሳሳለኩ ማለት እዩ። መልሱ C live እዩ። ራብዓይ my brother is dash than my dad. A tall, B taller, C more tall, D taller. መልሱ B taller. ሓምሻይ which sentence is correct? A I'm interested to go to the cinema, B we are planning to go to the shop, C they want to go with us by foot, D you should be to go to school. ትክክል ዝኾነ C እያ። ሻድሻይ I dash a shower this morning. A take it, B took, C take, D taking. 5 ሴኮንድ ተተለኩም። መልሱ B took እዩ። ሻውዓይ ዳዊት ዳሽ go home. A will, B do, C was, D will be. 5 ሴኮንድ ኣለኩም። A will እዩ መልሱ። ሻምናይ I dash in Canada for 3 years. A having lived, B have lived, C has lived, D lived. ነዚ ምላስ 5 B have lived እዩ መልሱ ድኹም። ታሽዓይ if he dash a rich man he would help poor people. A was, B had been, C were, D is. መልሱ ዌር ኢና ንጥቀም። 10 he does the whole day. A has been working, B have working, C have been working, D was working. መልሱ A has been working. 11 which sentence used the passive past perfect correctly? A Nahum had spoken English, B English is spoken by Nahum, C English had being spoken by Nahum, D English had been spoken by Nahum. ትክክለኛ D እያ መልሳ። 12 the idiom piece of cake means A it's easy, B eating cake, C cut a piece of cake, D no answer. መልሱ A it's easy እዩ ዝኸውን። ፕሊዝ ናዚያ ቪድዮ ምርኣኹም ግን ሳብስክራይብ ኤን ላይክ ዳገበርኩም ክትሓልፉ ይሓትት።